birthday, someone sing. Day to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Dad, happy birthday to you.
So what I'm reading here is a letter from Governor Underwood to Danny on occasion of granting the highest honor that a governor can bestow on citizens of the state. Dear Dennis, I extend to you my warmest wishes on this, your 84th birthday. Unfortunately, my schedule prevents me from being with you at your family farm in Greenbrier County to share in this special day. On behalf of all West Virginians, I want you to know how much we appreciate your significant contribution to the rich cultural history of this state. Your many books, the Mountain Memory Series and the Greenbrier County, to name a few, have given readers a unique insight into life in our mountain state. Also, as a loving and devoted husband and another proud father, grandfather, and great-grandfather, you stand as a symbol of a life well lived. It's for these reasons that today, as Governor of the state of West Virginia, I'm honored to present to you the highest award of government to bestow upon a citizen of this state, as I name you, Dennis Street, a distinguished West Virginian. Congratulations. Very sincerely, Cecil H. Underwood.
Yay! All right.
Somebody else called down the side. And whenever we do it, Distinguished West Virginian Award presented to J. Dennis Street for outstanding achievement in meritorious service. The state of West Virginia hereby recognizes your exceptional accomplishment and confers your commendation in your name. And customary whereof each cause